right here. That's the queen right there, and boy, she is putting eggs down. Today we're checking on the bees. We have 2 hives that we need to check to make sure we got queens that are laying. That would be this hive here and this hive here. You can see we changed our top cover out on our bees. This here will keep the water from coming in. I just took a piece of tin and bent 90-degree turns or 90-degree angles on them. It's nice, clean. And then on the front here, we have a top entrance. I put a piece of screen over it so they can't be robbed. So what we're going to do is we're going to get in the 2 hives that we started, I guess it'd be 2 weeks ago. Not quite 2 weeks ago, about a week and a half ago. We're going to check and make sure that they're laying, the queens are laying, and then we're going to release the queen out of this cage here. The first thing we need to do is get in here and release this queen. We need to get our smoker going. And then my favorite smoker fuel. It's free and it's readily available. So that's what I like to use if I can. Just need to get some coal started in there, that's all. Tessie, go. Tessie, no. Okay, we got her lit there. I'm gonna work that center hive first. We already got it glued down. Man, these guys are going gangbusters. Holy man, they're drawing comb out like crazy. Look at that fresh comb in there. Holy moly. I'm happy with that. Okay, now we're after the queen. They're working. Man, are they working hard. Queen out. Yes, this queen is out. Good deal. Well, let's look and see if we got any eggs yet. Putting sugar in there. There's sugar water in that. Got a little bee bread over here. I'm betting she's working up in the top part of this hive. Sugar water in there. I'll bet she's up in the top part. We'll take a look and see if we can find her. Those guys off the edge there so I don't smush them. Sugar water, bee bread. Where's the queen? Here's the queen right here. Right here. Right here's our queen. This is our queen right here. And you probably can't see it, but she is laying eggs. Where did I see the eggs at? Where'd that queen go? She's right here. The queen's right there. There's eggs. Well, at any rate, I found eggs in there. I'm pleased with that. Okay, found the queen. She's laying eggs. She's been released. So that is great news. That hive will have new bees in it here in about 3 weeks. We'll check back in about 2 weeks. We'll check back and make sure we're still doing okay. I hate getting into a hive any more than I have to with taking the risk of rolling the queen. I brought 2 hive tools out here with me and I lost one already. Look out, Tessie. Wow, they're going to town on this. Check and look for eggs here. We're drawing that plastic foundation out really well. Ooh, this frame is heavy. Full of nectar. Yes, and we got, right here's the queen. Right there's our queen, right there. You can see her. That's our queen right there. See her, guys? Right there's our queen, and it's full of that frame. This whole lower part of this frame is full of eggs. So we're just gonna let them go. Wow, we're full of eggs there. Where'd our queen go? I lost her. She must have went to the other side. Right up here. She's up here going, so we know we're safe putting this back down in without squishing her. They don't need another pollen patty, so I'm not going to give it to them. Give them another one. Now, whenever we installed the bees, you notice that I didn't have a veil or a suit or anything on, and I've had a lot of questions of whether or not I was stung or not. Short answer is no, I didn't get stung putting those bees in. All 3 packages I didn't get stung. Now I did get stung once in the finger, and it was my fault. I pinched one on the side of the hive when I was putting a super back whenever we were releasing queens. And then Walker, of all things, after he got back in the house, there must have been a bee caught in his suit or something, and he actually stepped on it. So Walker got stung in the foot. No eggs on this one. This one here's full of bee bread and nectar. This side here's pretty much all nectar. Yep, we're full of this whole frame over here. Wow, this one here even has baby bees in it. Man, I hope you can see this. This queen here is going gangbusters. Little itty bitty larvae in there. Hopefully you can see that. This here is just about well, this is a whole frame of brood. Wow, that's good. And check this side for, this side here's full of brood and eggs. I don't see the queen. This one here's full of eggs and brood. A little bit of bee bread. This one here's full of brood and eggs. Holy moly. She's going to town. She ain't wasting. There she is. Right there's the queen. Let's see if I can get you in the right light so you can see her. Right here. That's the queen right there. And boy, she is putting eggs down. Beautiful, beautiful bee. Nice golden color. I think that's the Russian. Let's get her back in there so she can get back to business. They don't need a pollen patty either. So we're just going to close them up. I got to get used to putting my new covers on. I've never had a cover that fits as snug as these do, so. Okay guys, take my veil off here. I didn't need it, but I'm not used to working this group of bees, so I don't know what to expect from them. I could have went without a veil and not had any issues. They're pretty quiet. Okay guys, got my veil off here. We really didn't need it to work these bees. These bees here are super quiet. Full of nectar, there's lots of nectar coming in there. And they're full of eggs and baby larvae. We've had some hatch out already. So I'm really pleased with that. So these guys are going to do really well. We're going to keep up with our sugar water. These guys don't need any, and that's probably all that we'll feed them. Let Tessie know you're going to get stung. And then these guys here will come back and probably give them like a half a gallon here in a week. But so far, we're in good shape with our bees. It's going to be probably 14 days before I come back, let's say, because that's whenever these ones here got larvae in there, so they're going to hatch out here possibly in 14 days or so, and that colony's going to want to grow. So I'm gonna keep it going.